One of the favorite sources for framing UPSC prelims question is the Hindu newspaper, particularly Science and Tech page. Guys, this is one page you should not ignore. In yesterday's Hindu newspaper Science and Tech page, they have covered COP30 in detail. I must say this is the most important article you are going to read as far as prelims 2026 is concerned, because I'm more than confident that definitely one question is going to come from this editorial. Please save this, read this multiple times. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to break down this entire article. You can see it's a very big article. I'm going to break down into important points from where questions can come in the UPSC prelims examination. Before that, guys, I would like to tell you that this is my Telegram ID. You can contact me if you want my prelims guidance. I have cracked prelims 6 out of 6 times. I can help you crack the prelims 2026. Let us begin. Guys, first thing what you should prepare is where is this COP30 going to be held? This is going to be held in Belém, Brazil. Guys, why is Belém important? Belém is important because it is the gateway. It is the gateway to Amazon forest, gateway to Amazon forest. Okay, so guys, Amazon forest is very, very important. It is the largest tropical forest. It is also a very important carbon sink. It is called the lung of the world because it's a very important carbon sink. So guys, first thing what you need to prepare is Belém. Okay, so map work. They may ask you map based questions. Belém, why it is in news? Okay, COP30. Second thing what you need to prepare, because it is the 30th COP. It is 30th COP, so you should know the history of COP. When was the first COP? What are the important COPs? Important COPs you need to prepare. The major decisions have been taken. For example, Kyoto. Okay. Next, the Paris. You should know. Okay. These are, you have to do some work. Okay. Next thing what they are going to ask you is that why COP30 is called the implementation COP, because guys, in this COP no major decisions will be taken, but what will be done, the commitments will be translated into action. Okay, so focus will be not on new commitments, focus will be in translating these commitments into action. So again, a very important topic. So guys, you can see in this entire editorial, lot of information were there as far as okay prelims is concerned, and every each and every point is very important. For example, you can see Amazon rainforest, why it is important. Okay, next you can see here that global stock tech. Next guys, you can see here Baku to Belém roadmap. Next you can see here new collective qualified goal. Okay, so what I have done is that I have listed all these important topics in this mind map I'm going to discuss with you. So first thing guys, as I told you, Belém, Brazil. So this COP is 10 years after the Paris Agreement. So they may ask you about the Paris Agreement also. They may ask you about the Paris Agreement also. Paris Agreement, the goal was to limit the temperature rise to 2 degrees Celsius and maximum to 1.5 degrees Celsius. In this guys, the nationally determined contribution was introduced, which will be revised every 5 years. Also guys, here you have to remember that NDC, every country has to publish their NDC, but this is voluntary. Okay, implementation is voluntary. Next guys, global stock take has to be taken. Global stock take is basically mandatory in the Paris Agreement. Okay, so this is very, very important. Global stock take first was done at COP28 in Dubai. Okay, next guys, climate finance is very important guys. Last year you see here that the new collective qualified goal for climate finance at COP29 Baku was agreed to 300 billion per year, okay, by 2035. Okay, previously guys, you know, green climate fund, okay, if you see here in the Paris Agreement, 100 billion dollars per year was pledged. Okay, but obviously this has been missed in the last 10 years. Okay, next guys, if you see, there is something called Baku to Belém roadmap. Here the target is 1.3 trillion US dollar per year by 2035. So Baku to Belém roadmap is also about climate finance. New collective quantified goal is also about the climate finance. This has already been accepted at COP29 Baku, which is 300 billion per year by 2035. Okay, so developed countries have to give finance to developing countries for climate change. Okay, next topic which is important here is loss and damage fund. This is very, very important. This was also in news for last 2 years, guys. It was first time came in COP 28 and it was implemented in COP 29. So this loss and damage fund also is very important. Next is the, okay, global goal on adaptation. This is very important, guys. This is getting negotiated. This is basically Article 7 of the, okay, Article 7 of the Paris Agreement. So this is also very, very important. Article 7. Last year they have asked question on Article 6, carbon trading. So adaptation goal, Article 7. This is also very important. COP30 is going to finalize the global goal on adaptation. This is very, very important. Okay. In the end, guys, as I told you, BELM is very important because of the Amazon basin. Amazon basin is one of the tipping point. Guys, already in my short video, I have explained you what is tipping point, why tipping point is important. Recently, one of the tipping point, which is the warm coral reefs have got tipped, and guys, Amazon forest is also on the verge of tipping. So this tipping point is also very important concept. You can see here a lot of questions can be framed here. Either the questions can come on COP, okay, they may ask you COPs. They can give you a table format question where they will give you COP and their details and the year, or they will ask you about the Paris Agreement, because Paris Agreement is completing 10 years. In Paris Agreement, guys, NDCs they can ask you, global stock take they can ask you, temperature limit they can ask you. Now next what they can ask you is climate finance, new collective quantified goal, how much it is, the 300 billion per year 2035. Next, Baku to Belém roadmap, they can ask you 1.3 trillion per year climate finance by 2035, or they can ask you about global goal of adaptation. Here, guys, you should remember that this is Article 7. Okay, and last but not the least is the location of Belém. Like this, guys, every day I'm giving you 10 most important questions from the analysis of the Hindu newspaper and linking to the PYQs. Start solving these 10 questions, guys. This is really going to help you to crack the prelims examination.